In today's video, I'll show you how to buy games on Steam using a Steam gift card. This method is perfect if you don't have a credit card or just prefer using gift balance. First, open the Steam app on your computer and log into your account. Now click on your profile name in the top right corner and select Account Details. On this page, click on Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Next, choose Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Carefully enter the gift card code printed on the back of your card, then click Continue. If the code is valid, the balance will be added instantly to your Steam wallet. Now that your wallet has funds, go to the Store tab. Search for the game you want to buy, open its page, and click Add to Cart. Proceed to Purchase for Myself. On the payment screen, select Steam Wallet as your payment method and confirm the purchase. Once the payment is complete, the game will be added to your Steam library and you can download it right away. And that's how you buy games on Steam using a gift card. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.